Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to cover the details about three-line break chart setup as well as a strategy which is based on three-line break charts. Three-line break charts is something like a very popular setup of late, and what I've seen is it works very well in the forex market, stock market, commodities, options, Eminis. It works on any kind of market which is out there for trading. So in this video, this is what we are going to cover. We are going to take a look at the three-line break setup. How does it work? And I'm also going to cover a strategy that you can use using the three-line break chart setup. And finally, we are going to cover some important points which the trader should keep in mind when using the three-line break strategy. So let's get started. So three-line break setup is more like a candlestick kind of setup, but in this kind of chart, the candlestick used is different than the conventional candlestick. In a conventional candlestick, for example, you will see that there is a real body, there's a high, a low, open, close. This is a green is a bullish candlestick, and red is a bearish candlestick. So there's a real body and there are wicks. But if you look at the three-line break setup candlestick, it is more like open and close price. There's no wick, there's no upper wick, there's no lower wick, and that's because the three-line breaks candles they place emphasis on the closing price, and there is no wick. The psychology is that the end price is what is the driving price. Anything which has gone lower and then come to close is not a factor. The closing price is the final price that traders should consider. That's the psychology behind using the three-line break candle. And typically, a lot of brokers provide the three-line candle setup on their charts. Not all the brokers provide, but most of the brokers have started providing it now. And I'm assuming that since you're watching this video, so your broker is providing the three-line break setup that you can use for trading. Now, what is the three-line break setup? The setup is very simple. The concept is very simple. What it says is that there has to be three candles which have moved in a single direction. So like in this example, if you see here, there is a red bar which is indicating the price has come down, another red bar, and followed by another red bar. Now these three bars are followed by a bullish candle, and the important thing to note is that this bullish candle, the high of this bullish candle is higher than the high of these three candle setup, and that is the important point to remember when you're looking for a bullish candle setup, that the high of the bar of the bullish bar, for example, has to be high than the high created by these three bars. If you look here, for example, now this is a bearish three-bar break setup. This one bullish candle, another bullish candle followed by another bullish candle, but this bearish candle, the low of this bearish is lower than the low set up by these three candles, and that is so this candle has to break the range set up by these three candles, and similarly this candle has to be higher than the range set up by these three candles. And once this kind of setup is there, the trader can open a trade and can continue following it or close it after a particular point is reached. But I'll cover a strategy in a minute. What I want you to focus on is to remember that the bullish candle or the bearish candle, it has to be one single bar, and it has the high or low setup depending on the setup you're looking at, has to be higher or lower than the range set up by the previous three candles. So the concept is very simple, and you will see this pattern existing very often in a lot of charts. So now let's take a look at the strategy that you can use using the three-bar setup. This is, I have shown an example. If you look here, these are the three bearish candles and followed by a bullish candle which is higher than the range. And same way here, this is a bearish candle whose low is lower than the range set up by these three candles here. This is an important resistance line setup, and this is an important support line. If you look at this particular range starting from here to here, this is a 38.2 Fibonacci level. So what is the strategy? This is the strategy. Once a reversal candle is formed, you need to immediately draw the support and resistance level. So in this case, once this candle has come, the trader should set up a support and resistance lines. As you can see, this is the resistance line. If the reversal candle is bullish, the distance between the resistance level and the reversal candle needs to be at least the size of the reversal candle. So by this, what I mean is, this distance starting from the high of the reversal candle to the resistance line has to be at least the size of this reversal candle. If it is anything shorter, this is not a trade setup. You are not going to take the trade. But if it is more, equal or more, then definitely you can open the trade as soon as this candle closes. Same way here. If you look here, the size of this candle is more than the distance here. So this is not a trade setup. This is a trade setup. Open the trade and close as soon as the resistance level is reached, or you can continue following it using a trailing stop loss. But in this case, you're not going to take the trade. And why is that? Why I'm asking you to have this distance equal or more than the size of the candle? Because this will ensure a risk to reward ratio of at least 1:1. So as soon as you see a setup, calculate the distance between the resistance, immediate resistance, and the high of or the low of the reversal candle. And if the body of the reversal candle is, or the distance rather from the reversal candle to the resistance is more than the size of the body of the reversal candle, take the trade. Otherwise, skip the trade and wait for the next setup to come. So far so good. So now let's look on to some important points. The important point is, never trade 3-line breakup without a confirming indicator as a support or resistance level. Now if you look here, if you don't draw a support or resistance level, you don't know how far the trade is going to continue, and you may end up even having a loss. So it's always important to have a confirming level. The other important thing is, 3-line breakup charts also honor other indicators just like moving average, RSI, stochastics. See, when I ask my subscribers to use the candlestick, I always ask them to use a confirming indicator, because candlestick alone may give you a lot of trade setups, but some of those may not be genuine. So always use a confirming indicator, and the 3-line break chart candles also honor the other technical indicators like moving average, RSI, stochastics, Fibonacci's. So definitely use those in conjunction with the 3-line candles. The 3-line candles are just like the regular candlesticks, where they also form the head and shoulder pattern. Like for example, if you see here, this is a double top. If you see here, this is an evening star setup. So 3-line break charts, the candles in the 3-line break charts also form the same candlestick patterns that you see in the regular candlesticks. So it is very important that a person who is planning to use the 3-line break charts, 3-line break candles, they should learn the candlesticks, learn the existing candlesticks, what kind of formations they form, what kind of patterns they form, how do they work with other technical indicators. Learn that. It will help you immensely when using the 3-line break chart candles. So speaking of that, I have a free gift for you. First of all, I need a favor from you, if you don't mind. If you like this video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, because I keep producing videos once every week or once every 2 weeks, and so far my subscribers have liked my videos a lot, and I'm planning to keep making more and more videos. So subscribe to my channel. The other thing I want you to do is go to my website forexcandlestickmagic.com. In that, I am giving you a free gift where I am covering 2 highly effective candlestick patterns that work extremely well with the 3-line break charts also. This I am going for no cost. I am also telling one important candlestick mistake that 50% of more traders make. And lastly, I am giving you one more highly accurate forex trading strategy which is based on candlesticks, and something that you can use with the 3-line break candles also. So you don't have to pay anything for this. This is a free gift for you because you are investing your time in watching my video, and we all know that time is very precious. So just go to my website at forexcandlestickmagic.com and get this package for free. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm very soon going to make another video that I'm sure you're going to like. Thank you.